Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Dogecoin instantly, follow these step-by-step instructions to purchase Doge quickly through convenient payment methods. Step 1. Choose an exchange that offers instant purchases with credit or debit cards, such as Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, or Robinhood. These platforms process card transactions immediately. Step 2. Create an account if you don't have one, and complete the quick verification process. Some platforms allow limited instant purchases before full verification. Step 3. Navigate to the Buy section and search for Dogecoin or Doge. The platform will show the current price and recent price movements. Step 4. Select your payment method, preferring credit or debit card for instant processing. Link your card by entering the card details securely. Step 5. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to buy or the fiat amount you want to spend. Review the exchange rate and fees, which are typically higher for instant purchases. Step 6. Confirm the purchase and complete any additional security verification such as 3D Secure for your card. The transaction processes within seconds. Step 7. Your Dogecoin will appear in your exchange wallet immediately. For security, consider transferring larger holdings to a personal wallet where you control the private keys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.